With expressing my gratitude for being invited. I'm very grateful. As a police officer for the area of Northwich and Winsford, I must confess my ignorance. I wasn't aware of such a community of East Timor nationals living in the area. Yes, I am aware of a few. It's great that actually we get this interaction between various members of our community. So grateful for that to begin with. The world's a very diverse place, and so is the local communities of Winsford and Northwich. It's important from a policing and social point of view that everyone within our communities has a sense of belonging, regardless of their origins. But from time to time, there's a minority that do not share those values and may even resort to criminality to express their discord. Being targeted because of who you are is a hate crime. In order to combat this, Cheshire Police want to know about it. Hate crime may be when somebody bullies or frightens you, damages your property, takes your property, calls you names, or hurts you because you were different. There are lots of ways that you can report hate crime. Tell somebody you trust who can help. This may be a friend, a relative, a community leader. There are a number of what we call third-party reporting centres around the county. And we have a list of those centres on our website, Cheshire Police. You can come straight to the police. Tell us. We will listen to you and help you. If you are being targeted because of your race, your religion, sexual orientation, your gender identity, or disability, Cheshire Police want to know about this. You can get in touch with the police directly in a case of emergency, I'm sure you know, treble 9. Or if you want to speak to a local officer, such as someone like myself, call 101. And you can use the Cheshire website to report it online. There's also a website of reportit.org.uk. To support victims of crime, there is a service called Cheshire Cares. This is an enhanced service offering emotional and practical support to help victims to cope and recover from the impact of crime. These services are funded by the Police and the Police and Crime Commissioner for Cheshire and delivered by staff employed by Cheshire Constabulary. The service provides support for all victims of crime 7 days a week, building on the excellent service that was provided by Victim Support. And for anyone that wants some further information regarding that, on the table I've been sat in front of, there's some literature that you can take away. I'll leave that here for you to peruse. Once again, thank you very much for inviting me here. It is important that there is that interaction between communities, and this is a great step towards that. Thank you.